Hello dear, you are watching Heavy Garden. In my previous video of this bonsai, I have defoliated my tree and repotted it in a large training pot and left it for couple of months. Then after 1 year, I pruned back my bonsai again and left it for couple of months. To watch the previous video, check the link in the description. Back to present. Exact after 8 months. This time I will defoliate my bonsai again. Now remove the thick odd looking branches. Now it's time to clean the root base. I will try to clean the root base as much as possible. By doing this, your root base will be more visible. Now I will add a layer of small stone. This will help to keep the moisture in your pot. Soon I will give an update of this bonsai. Till then, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe.